Katonda byayagala okuwa, waliwo Katonda kyayagala okufuula, waliwo level kwayagala okutwala. Start to rise.
After doing your work, go get other sources of income. Let them hear you who was doing in timber, that you're now working in the beans business. You who was doing the millet maize, that you have a school now. Let them hear that the tomato farmer is now a fish farmer. Tell your neighbor, get into new business. The one who was in the saloon, let them hear that you now trade in China.
Omwaka guno nsaba Mukama Katonda akumpeera ekisa omageyo ne ku bintu ebirala akuwe n'ekisa ekibikola nayo bakusange nga nayo gy'oli.
This year I pray God gives you new ideas, that you get new sources of income, that they find you everywhere.